my friends! It's almost 1 month until Christmas and let's count blessings together. For example, laundry. You might think, oh no, laundry again. Yes, every Monday I do laundry and I'm thinking how blessed I am. Because it is blessing in one life experience. I have been experienced laundry duty like this. You just put in washing machine, dryer machine, and it's it. And I used to live in village where I should to fetch water, build fire, and prepare wood, make water warm, and everything. I still had machine, so even back then I thought how blessed I am that I have this simple machine that I can do my laundry. And then I was using this pins to put my all beautiful laundry, and I thought back then how blessed I am that I can do it, that at least I still have clothes, something to wash, and I have family to wash for who. And then I thought, what poor people who had no simple machines, they should to wash in river. But again, at least they had clothes to wash, right? And they had family for who to wash. They had water access. So they have been blessed too, I thought. And then I thought, oh yeah, poor people who have been in jungle running, they have no clothes. And then I thought, they're blessed too. They even don't have to do laundry at all. So, counting blessings, type down in your comments what is your blessings for today or whatever. Love you all.